Monday afternoon, lundi après-midi, on a permission de prendre des logs. We have permission from Trevor to take a few logs that they cut at camp. But would you look at the raging Great Chazy River? Arcal de rivière, the Great Chazy. I don't think I don't think we've ever seen it this high. It did come up this high in the summer, and it rerouted right through here. But what are we today? December what? What? Nous sommes décembre 18. December 18th. Would you look at that? And this is in the summer, it's calm, you can walk across. L'été, tu peux traverser à pied. I've never seen it this high. Hopefully no camps are flooded. J'espère qu'il n'y a pas de camps qui sont inondés. Alright, we gotta load our logs. We had planned to come and stay here in the winter, but we changed our mind, so we packed up our stuff and put it in totes for the mice. On voulait venir ici l'hiver, camper, et on a décidé de ne pas faire ça, puis on a mettre nos affaires dans des totes. So. Alright, from the great Morris Camp, New York. Salut de Morris Camp, New York, to the Great Chazy River.